Kevin Parrish is suing Faith Timmons in the amount of $2,295. Mr. Parrish claims Ms. Timmons' son poured super glue on his daughter's head, which resulted in first-degree burns. Ms. Timmons claims the incident only happened after Mr. Parrish's daughter cut up her son's favorite basketball jersey.
This is the case of the parents suing on behalf of the children. Mr. Parrish, you say that Ms. Timmons' son put super glue or something in your daughter's hair, causing first-degree burns, and you're suing for the cost of the medical expenses for that in the amount of $22.95. All right. Now, you know what? You guys are here to talk as the parents, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Were either of you there?
No.
Sit down. Come on up here, children. You can talk for yourselves. You old enough. How old are you?
18.
18. How old are you?
17.
All right, yeah. High school, seniors,
Yes.
just graduated or something like that?
Seniors, about to graduate.
All right, Ms. Parrish, speak for yourself. Tell me what happened.
Well, we were in an art class, and we had a project that we had to do, and we had to bring in like some little items to do our collage that we were doing. So the teacher wasn't in class, the teacher was out, so all the students, they're in the classroom, they're playing. So I'm sitting down trying to, do my work and, get finished because I want to graduate.
You're not playing like the rest of them?
No, I wasn't, ma'am.
Okay.
Leo starts playing around, playing around, and he just start picking with me for some amount of reason. I don't know why. He just started messing with me. So I got up and was gonna move to the next seat. I grabbed my bag, and he grabbed scissors, going like this towards my face, and I'm like, "What are you doing?" And he cut my purse that my father had bought me for my birthday, and I turned around and I smacked him.
Okay. And after you smacked him, I guess it didn't end there.
No, ma'am.
So then what happened?
After I smacked him, I cut his jersey.
All right, then what happened?
That's when the teacher had came back inside. So everybody tried to, run back to their seats and everything and do their work. So everybody's still trying to finish their work. Leo sits behind me. Once again, he sits behind me, and I felt something fall down on my shirt, and I didn't know what it was until I found it was super glue.
Okay.
So I had got up, and I went to the sink that we have in the classroom. I went to the sink, and I'm trying to, get it out of my hair, and I don't know if it wasn't going out. Then I sat back down, and then it's 5, 10 minutes later before the class was about to end, my scalp started burning.
Wow.
And it felt like an iron just literally fell on my head. So I went to the teacher and asked the teacher, well, can I, go to the nurse because my head is really on fire, it's really burning. Teacher tells me no. So I walked out.
What?
He tells me no. So I walked out the classroom and I went to the nurse office. And
I'm glad you did.
I went to the nurse office, and the nurse, they couldn't really do too much of anything. So I told them, because they called the paramedics or anything, they called the paramedics because the staff, they can't really take me. So when the paramedics showing up, I'm still really I'm on fire, I'm burning, I'm crying, I don't know what to do. I'm in the ambulance truck texting my dad, and he's not responding to me, nothing. And as soon as I get to the hospital, they rush me into one of the rooms, and they start putting ointment and all kind of stuff on me to try to calm it down, but I'm still really on fire. And I was just telling them, can you please call my dad? Can you please call my dad? And that's when they called my dad.
Did your hair come out?
Yes.
All right. Mr. Leo, tell me what happened. Your version.
I get to class, and, I was having a bad day. It was not my day, and she just messing with me.
What does that mean, bad day, not your day?
It was just not my day. I had just found out that I failed my English class. It was just not my day. The day was just bad. And I walk in the room, she's just messing with me since I walked in, just, making fun of the way I walk, the way I sit down, just bothering me. So she's making fun of me, so I sit down. So, to get her mad back, I grab a pair of scissors to annoy her, and I'm in her face, doing that, She eventually gets annoyed, so she gets up, to move her chair, I don't know what. And when she gets up, she puts her purse right here, and I accidentally cut the strap on her purse. But I said I was sorry, and she knew it was not on purpose. And I mean, Your Honor, it was probably this
You can't cut a purse. You can't cut a purse with scissors accidentally on a strap. You cannot do it. If you had a knife, that's one thing. Scissors, you gotta press down, open it up, take it over the strap like this, and then press down. You can't do it accidentally because the scissors never should have been in that position over the strap. Keep talking.
I offered to pay for that
Okay, no, all right, I got
dirty purse that she had.
you. Okay, for
And
what?
I offered to pay for that purse.
What did you call it?
The dirty purse.
Oh, okay.
I offered to pay the $3 that she paid for that purse, whatever. And
Okay, so if you offered to pay for that dirty purse, your offer still stands, right?
of course,
All right, Dad, how much that dirty purse cost?
It was more than $3,
I know,
Your Honor.
well, that's why I asked you, how much did the purse cost?
$150.
maybe when it was
And
new
how
before
long
it got
had you
used.
had it?
My dad had bought it to me for my birthday.
I don't know when your birthday is. How long had you had it?
I had it for like 2 weeks.
2 weeks? Okay.
Dirty purse.
Okay, $100 for the purse. That part is over. Pay $100 for the purse. Go on. Sit back down, Dad. Keep talking.
Okay, then she gets my jersey that I've had for 2 years, and someone that I see as a father figure in my neighborhood signed that for me, who passed away actually, meant a lot to me. I brought it in for my project, and she cuts my jersey right through the middle.
Coming up on Just
And you know, everyone's like laughing, everyone's taunting me, like I'm getting mad, and you know, I'm sitting down and I'm just thinking about it and thinking about it and thinking about it, and I'm like, I'm not gonna get this jersey back. Like, it's ruined. I had to throw it in the trash. So I reacted. I got glue and I poured it in her hair, but I poured it in her hair, it ending up in her scalp. I don't know if I don't know if her weave was itchy or what, but when she was washing it, she must have got the glue in her scalp because I poured it on her hair or the hair she bought. I poured it on that. I did not pour it on her scalp.
You poured it on the hair she bought, the weave, the scalp. You didn't know how far that glue was gonna go. You poured it over her head, right? Mm-hmm. Okay. And so it's liquid, right?
Yes.
It runs, does it not?
It was on the bottom half of her hair.
Yeah,
when
right.
she was washing it, she was acting like it was some kind of hair treatment,
Yeah.
and she got it more in her hair.
It wasn't on the bottom of my hair, Your Honor.
You know what? You don't have to argue with me. Glue doesn't belong anywhere on your head now, but you cut up his jersey in response to him cutting up your purse. So your purse got cut, his jersey got cut. So how much is your jersey worth?
My jersey was $120.
Oh, okay. So you guys are even. You
So
cut
she
each other's
owes me
stuff.
20 now.
No, you owe her much more than 20 because you could have killed her. Okay, you took it too far. You got to know when enough is enough. Now, cutting up clothes is bad, and cutting up her purse, that's bad too. But that's not causing harm to either of you physically. Both of you are too old, and you should know better. And you just didn't think. And I wrote a book called Judge Mablean's Life Lessons, 52 Tools for Weekly Living, and in it says, think consequences before you act. And now is the time for you to learn to do that, both of you. Before you react to things, you need to think about the consequences. What will happen to me? What can I expect from this if I do so and so? Now, Mother, what do you have to add?
Your Honor, the deal is here. Everyone knows that my son, Leo, has a crush on Summer.
Oh, that's what this is all about.
They have known each other for a while, and they were simply children, kids, young people playing around, horsing around, and I'm not in any way condoning this. But, I'm speaking? But the thing is they were kids, and
Not at 17. They're not kids.
Well,
They're not
they were
kids.
young, though, Your Honor.
And if you keep wanting to use that as an excuse and justify his behavior, he's going to do something that's going to cost him much more harm than that. And at 18, he goes to prison for that type of conduct. He goes to jail. That's a serious offense. So don't try to justify it. Don't help him. It's not kid play. It's not horseplay. It went too far. It went too far. Judgment for the plaintiff. Pay the medical bills, Mother. You got to pay him. Make him go to work. Make him do something after school to help earn the money to pay for it. It went too far.
But Your
Ain't
Honor.
no buts.
But,
Pay it.
Your Honor.
Judge Mablean has ruled in favor of the plaintiff. The defendant is ordered to pay $2,295.